Now let's learn about Pagecraft. Pagecraft is about generating all of the images you need to build your book fast. Generate multiple pages all at once. Choose from any of our community art models to get the perfect style you desire. There is a vast library of community art models. If you see something you want to fix or change, you can also change your prompt and regenerate that image. Another thing that's also amazing about Pagecraft is you can enlarge all images all at once, which is actually 100% necessary for print books. And all the art is auto-saved into organized folders, so designing your books is a breeze. Let's begin by naming your craft, select your art model, size it, input the number of pages. Then we're going to hit generate. Then on the next page, we're going to fill out all of our prompts, and we're going to hit submit all prompts. You can also regenerate anything you need changed, and then finally enlarge all images. This is my favorite model, so I'm going to leave it here. I do like this size, and I'm going to opt for 5 pages to make things simple. I really love using our writing suite to help me fill out all these prompts fast and effectively. So head to the writing suite and click on Kids. Name your story, pick which folder you would like for it to be saved into, enter the book type, book concept, the length, how many pages, and write a detailed prompt. Hit generate. Now I like to chat with Artziii AI and ask for it to turn the story into AI art prompts. Let's take a look. Pretty good and very helpful. You can download this or copy and paste it wherever you would like. Now into Pagecraft. One by one, enter all your prompts. Go to the top of the screen and hit submit all prompts. And watch the magic unfold. If you need to regenerate, feel free to change your prompt and try again. Sometimes adding a little from the first prompt into all of the other ones helps. See how the same bunny is changing scenes. Now let's check autosave. Bunny Forest. There's my generation. All auto-saved. We have different subfolders for regenerated. And after you enlarge all images, here are the subfolders for those as well. Since there are only 5, I will manually enlarge them all. And we're almost done. It's that easy. Now you can design your book with ease. Pagecraft is something found only on Artziii, and it is patent pending. Thank you so much for joining us today.